chosen people. Taught me to lift my head. Every word from your wisdom turned my hunger into bread. You took the name they buried, gave it back in light. Now Yahweh, been Yahweh, you're the fire in my eyes. I'm in love with the way you love me, every promise, every truth you gave. Yahweh, been Yahweh, you're the song my spirit craves. I'm in love with the way you hold me, lift my heart from every grave. Yahweh, been Yahweh, you're the love that always saves. You spoke about holy nations, about turning back to you. Taught me how to see my beauty in the mirror of your truth. You gathered the broken pieces, called me daughter, called me home. Now your words are on my heartbeat. I know I'm never alone. I'm in love with the way you love me, every promise, every truth you gave. Yahweh, Yahweh, you're the song my spirit craves. I'm in love with the way you hold me, lift my heart from every grave. Yahweh, Yahweh, you're the love that always saves. You wrote freedom in our story, turn the bitter into sweet. Every chapter, grace and glory, pulling shackles from my feet. So I lay my life before you, every breath, every step I take. Yahweh, been Yahweh, be the light in every page. I'm in love with the way you love me, every promise, every truth you gave. Yahweh, been Yahweh, you're the song my spirit craves. I'm in love with the way